What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Grem and Mario. And semifinals day, game one for both. And sabi nga ni ano kanina ng isang anchor, no, are we not entertained? We are very entertained. While yung TNT Ross, I think up until the last 3 minutes, 4 minutes ng fourth quarter. And then, alam naman natin yung fiasco ng Jin SMB. Nakala ko Jin would get it. SMB would get it. Especially they had a boys 20-point lead. 18?
18,
18-20?
18, 18.
18-point lead. But
18.
before that, guys, ano muna tayo? Let's focus on the Ross TNT series kasi Ross starts their Grand Slam bid with a win against Ross. And
TNT. Yeah.
naghigpit sila sa third quarter.
Yeah.
If I may say, no? 'Di ba Mario, ito sa merong point doon na Ross was up 51-46. Nag-timeout
Ah,
sila and then yun na. I think that was where TNT said, "Okay guys, let's get serious." and
yeah.
tightened up the
No.
defense.
Yeah. Dude, honestly, ito yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Ang laki ng TNT kumpara sa Ross. Ang laki nila,
Mm.
bro. And I don't know kung kulang yung kinakain ni Keith Datu recently. I don't know if nag-hire siya or nagda-diet siya or kulang siya sa energy or
Ramadan ba?
whatever.
Hindi naman Ramadan. Hindi naman siya Muslim, di ba? Wala naman siyang fasting.
Keith's been basically kind of unplayable for a lot of these. Since the
Exactly.
first series, man, hit up siya against Brandon Ramirez, and we said this. If you're having a hard time against Brandon Ramirez, paano pa kaya yung Poy Eram, Kelly Williams, and BGR,
And
pare?
BGR. What a trio.
Oh man, kinain sila ng tatlo. Kinain sila ng tatlo, bro. And it was all about the defense of TNT. All about the defense of TNT, bro. Their offense wasn't even that good today, ha? For me, if you ask me.
Both teams were kind of weird. Especially the ano talaga, defense was locked in.
Yeah. Pero yung offense ng TNT today, basang-basa. Yung problema nga lang, even if TNT missed a shot, there was an offensive rebound 8 times out of 10.
Exactly.
It was BGR, it was Poy, it was Kelly. Kahit sino sa mga yun. And it's an easy putback for any of them, man. Keith has to play better. Yun talaga yun. Kailangan ni Keith ng much better performance. Chris Porter, um, all things considered, ha? He came in what in the last 2 games of the season, Ross? Came in the
Hmm.
last three games for Ross. You don't expect that much from him, pero mas ginagamit pa nga si Chris eh. 'Di ba? I don't know.
Medyo
Needs a
split
bit more.
minutes sila actually, Mario. 11 minutes for Keith Datu, 10 minutes for Chris Porter, and that's a sign na you're not doing your job if you're Keith Datu. Uh,
Yeah.
in a perfect world, siguro you would have been playing 20 to 22 minutes, pero in a game na mas kailangan ka, he hasn't gotten out of that funk na nakita natin sa NLEX. Kala natin, baka he's just getting his bearings. Siguro, hinaharap niya lang yung form niya. Pero hanggang ngayon, game 1 against CNT, ganoon pa rin. It's the same kit Datu, unfortunately. Kaya no choice si coaching. I had to get Chris
Chris.
Porter in the game. More minutes
Sakto.
even.
Yeah.
Well,
More.
1 minute less lang pala si Chris Porter, sorry.
Whether he came off the bench, he should have minimum 10 minutes less. Not only
Mm.
have 1 minute less, man. And alam ni Coach Yang yan, bro. Coach Yang has been on Keith Datu this whole time. And to move to TNT, kasi a lot of this deserves TNT's credit, in all honesty. We said Jonald Clarito had to be the X factor, di ba? It was
Yeah.
either we said either Jonald Clarito or
Santi, did anyone get Leonard Santillan? Si
yeah,
Santillan?
Santi had
Oo.
5 points.
That
2
was
for
me.
11.
5 points,
Sama.
guys. And Clarito only had 6, 7 rebounds, which is not. That means he isn't affecting the game. Alam mo yung Clarito, when Clarito is affecting the game the way Clarito wants to affect the game, he has 15 rebounds, bro. He has 15 something rebounds, diba?
Wait, yeah, oh,
He
you're talking
had
about when
if
Clarito's locked in,
if
like when
Yeah, when
he's
he's
really involved.
talking
Yeah, yeah, okay,
talaga.
okay. Yeah, only
yeah,
had 7 this game.
Yeah.
yeah. Heading into the series, we said na yung difference sa front line talaga is ano 'di ba? Malayo. And it was
Yeah.
really 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 evident in this game. Sabi natin yung wings yung advantage ng Ross. Kind of right, 'di ba? But in a game that
Kinda right, yeah.
in a game that gave Norwood already scored 12 points, which is probably the
More
most
than
he
enough.
scored
More
in
than
a
enough.
decade. You already got the
More
game
in a day.
Norwood game and hindi mo pa rin maitawid against TNT.
That's Gilas Gabe. That's
That's
Gilas.
Gilas Gabe.
That's
Gilas
Gilas
Gabe.
Oo,
Gabe.
di ba?
Gabe, Argentina.
That's Gabe.
Argentina Gabe.
Yun, Skola.
That's
That's
right.
Gabe.
Argentina
Exactly.
Gabe.
Gabe Norwood already had 12 points. hindi mo pa rin maitawid. I just think that sabi ko nga si BGR who scored 13 points tonight or today was the X factor for TNT, and siya talaga naman yung wala. And by the way, credit also to Jordan Heading who played well, not as good as we expect him to be or as he's capable of, but you got 11 points from him. I don't think you got that many points from him versus Magnolia, 'di ba? So if he's getting better, back spasms iniinda niya, 'di ba?
Yeah.
It's an injury that you have to have him rest for him
Talaga.
to recover. So only played 15 minutes, still konti pa, but Enciso was not the apog today, 'di ba?
Yeah, it wasn't.
He played so well.
Oo,
You gotta
he
give it
played
to
so
Simon
well.
Enciso.
3 threes.
Oo,
Pagbukas pagbukas ko ng YouTube ko, may nag-comment na agad na, ano ka ngayon, Graham? Di ba? Inaano mo si
Ano ka
Enciso.
ngayon, Graham?
Shout out to that
Asan na
guy.
yun?
Hindi ko
Shout out to
nakita
that
yun.
guy.
Hindi ko
Oo,
nakita yun.
sabi ko lang, sorry boss, my bad. Kasi I
Ano ka ngayon,
underestimated
Graham?
I underestimated PBA champion Simon Enciso. But man, if you cannot squeeze
You
that game,
underestimated the Archer.
yeah, the Damian Lillard of
Of
four
ano?
people. But if you cannot get that game from TNT, where Nokum also played kind of well, di ba?
He was alright. I think C plus
yeah.
game. Mario, I think C plus
Probably
game si Nokom. He was
around
there.
Nokum?
Yeah, C
Brother,
plus game.
halatang, for me masyadong mabilis si Nokum for Nokum.
It's also a compliment eh. No? Also a compliment at the same time. He needs to
I think,
control his speed.
yeah, medyo the game hasn't slowed down for Nokum yet. Kasi man, he's just running around the place sometimes. He missed a few layups na
It's both a
pretty
strength and a
capable.
curse in a way, no? For him.
Pretty capable. He
He's
might,
no? Parang si Michael Schumacher pinasakay mo sa Toyota Wigo. Parang, what's going on? What's going
Oh,
on?
what's go?
bro, he has all the moves, bro. Crossover, spin move. Then when he gets to the rim, he either hits it too hard off the back rim, he either shoots it short off the backboard. Medyo Deco gets he's supposed to be the best finisher on Ross.
Control lang. It needs more control lang talaga.
Needs lang ng control, man. But medyo, and all of the people we've mentioned, we've even mentioned Simon Enciso, which, my goodness, I've never expected Graham to mention Simon Enciso in my life.
Well, he would. He will. I would.
Guys,
I
to
had
be
it in my
fair.
bingo card. I had it in my bingo
To
card.
be fair, I've always liked Simon Enciso, but he's
come on.
not. No, I
Oh,
liked him,
come
bro.
on.
I liked him sa San Miguel. I liked him sa San Miguel. Kaso,
Gano'n ba?
he's not playing good sa TNT, di ba? And
Yeah.
we have to give credit where credit is due. Sabi ko nga, di ba? We can be biased sa pregame but post-game. If the guys
Yeah.
show up, then we'll give them credit. We're not gonna,
And I
shit
think
on those guys.
the guy who deserves the most credits are Pogoy, man. 28?
Of course, man.
Yes, 28 points for our Pogoy.
Brother, this guy, ever since everybody went down, has been tasked to become the literal scorer. Calvin Oftana had a dog game, guys. I think
Pero
Calvin,
12-10 and 7 turnovers. Medyo
Here's what
ano
I'm-
nga. Medyo dog.
That's
7
three of-
turnovers for
3 of
Calvin.
10. Here's what I'm gonna say about TNT. And guys, I'm apologizing to TNT because as the conference goes on, mukhang injured nga talaga si Calvin eh. Parang sabi ko,
Calvin-
I'll never believe these guys.
Even
They are
heading.
prize-
Even heading.
Well,
Heading really looks injured.
Heading
Si
is
Heading mo talaga injured
Heading is
talaga si
injured,
Heading.
diba? Heading talaga is injured and I already apologized for him. But si Calvin, he doesn't look good.
He looks a bit slow.
Sana, pagmasok kayo sa finals, sige,
Ano
sana.
ulit injury ni Calvin? Scuff ba?
Calf strain.
Yan yung mga ayoko
Guys,
pag-usapan. Calf strain.
Knock on wood, we're not gonna talk about it, but you know
Yeah.
where we're heading.
Yeah, you guys know where we're talking.
Unintended.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go
I
there.
want to say it in. I don't give a shit. Sorry, I don't give a whatever. I say it, man. We do not want a Tyrese Halliburton situation for
Ayoko
Calvin.
rin talaga. I want a healthy
That's it.
TNT to head
And-
to the finals. If ever man sila.
Even if it's even outside of this, Gila's time is coming soon, man.
Actually, yung ano sa August na.
And as much as I trash on Calvin Oftana when he's on Gilas, he's still the best shooter on Gilas. Doesn't
Exactly,
change
oo.
the fact-
Here's the thing.
Makahanap niya rin form niya one way or another. Baka ito
Here's
the
the
year.
thing. Injured Calvin and Gilas Calvin, I don't see the difference.
Kaya tayo
Exactly, man.
nadadali. Kaya tayo nadadali sa mga...
Oh, si Graham yun, ha? Baka
Si Graham
masama.
yun, guys!
Oh,
Graham!
I've been the nicer one between me and Graham, ha? I
Look
just
at
want
the
to
Graham-nel.
look at the numbers, guys. Look at the numbers.
Okay na,
I'm
Graham.
an English major, but I look at the numbers.
Yeah, but the things that need to change, man, if you're Ross, you gotta somehow activate Santi a bit more.
Yes.
And man, if you're Ross, you gotta run, dude. You have to run.
Oh,
Kasi
exactly.
pag, pag half-court defense, patay ka, pre.
Yeah,
You're not getting past any of these dudes, man. Si
that's right.
Kailan nga, he's trying to post up Brandon
Eh,
Ganuelas
pati si
Rosser.
Kelly
That
Williams.
was crazy. Nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, ba't mo pinapost up si BGR?
Guys, it's so hard to, alam mo yung, Kailan Johnson's a big guy. Alam mo
He
yun,
is.
BGR is a bigger guy.
That's right.
Okay.
Parang alam mo
All
yung pag,
6'9" of him.
pag gumawa ka sa NBA 2K ng my player mo, tapos pinost mo si Rudy Gobert, di ba? Or si Joel
Yun yung
Embiid.
ganun.
Parang, "Uy, kaya ko to. 99 na. But you
90 rin
really,
overall naman ako eh.
but you really can't.
Brother. And I want to shout out Kaylan. Kaylan played a decent game. Medyo halata na sinabi ni Coach Yeng kay Kaylan and kay Gabe na maglaro kayo, man. As in, like, be aggressive this whole game kasi we'll
Mm.
need to be aggressive. And both were. Both very much were. Pero yun nga lang, medyo naubusan lang kayo sa dulo. And it doesn't help that Boy Aram drilled a three in your grill.
Yeah, that was
Your
big.
The Poy Eram is
Dagger
enjoying,
yun
no?
eh.
16 and 10 in 19 minutes. Gotta give it to
Again,
Poy Eram.
Boy, ever since BGR came to TNT, Boy has become the best player of TNT for some reason
I think
because his
nawala yung pressure, no?
Yung
his
Nawala yung
pressure,
pressure
energy
in
yeah.
a
in the
bit.
game, man.
Oo.
Nawala yung pressure. Ang laking natanggal ni BGR kay Poy when
Siyempre,
they
alam mo,
play
ito
together.
na pa yung natanggal kay Boy ever since BGR came, yung topak niya. Lakas na
Napunta kay,
putak kay BGR, pre.
napunta kay BGR. Pero
Bro,
si BGR may double-double din, 13 and 10.
man, it's not hard to get a double-double against TNT. Uh, I would, genuinely speaking, man,
Well,
Calvin double-double too. If
uh,
three people have a double-double off rebounds, there's a problem, man. If you're
There's
well,
three
stuck,
people nga.
I'm gonna tell you this, boy. We're coming. We're coming.
oh boy,
Aster class,
Mamaya, wait lang.
oh
Aster
boy,
class part 4. Japan
oh
versus Noy,
boy,
Aster
man.
Oh
class
my
part
God. Kaya
4.
kayo nadadali.
Oh
I'm
boy,
just saying.
man.
I'm just
Anyway,
saying.
TNT out-rebounded Ross 59 to 44. And if you're Ross, that's not how
Expected yun
you
eh.
extend the series. You cannot extend the series na
Oh,
ganyan.
But expected yun eh, di ba? You have
expected
to
And ako
sobrang.
sasabihin ko rin na you need more Anton Asistio. No, Anton kasi, di
looking
Very
ba?
for him.
He
Looking for him.
he
Where
needs
is
to
he?
stretch the floor. Nung nakita ni coaching na 0 for 4, okay, hindi, it's not Anton's night. He can sit down.
Brother, here's the thing, man. Anton Asistio
Mm.
cannot defend R.R. Pogoy.
He cannot
He
nga, he cannot.
cannot
Yeah,
Yun,
yeah,
defend
yeah.
yun
R.R.
naman talaga.
And the moment they see R.R. Pogoy, this is why it's also hard for RJ Barrientos to play against TNT. Because TNT loves mismatches, pare.
They do nga. They really
Loves
hunt
it.
for those
Yeah, they will hunt it.
matches.
They barely call plays, dude. These dudes just want to find the worst defender on the court and we're gonna isolate the hell out of him.
Oh, tapos pick
Is
and roll.
RR
Okay, yan.
Pogoy, is RR Pogoy ba best shooting guard right now in the PBA? I think
Ooh.
he has
Mario,
to be,
did
right?
we make a list? Di ba we made a list like last year? Wala pa si Grem.
Like last
What's
year,
it?
yeah, later
I
this
think
year.
Pogs was like 1 or 2 for us nung time na yun. Pero I think
Because
now, sino bang shoot?
si Scotty is
CJ.
already
I'll pick
point guard
CJ.
eh,
Would
di
you
ba?
pick CJ over RR Pugoy?
Hmm,
They're close. They're close. Really close.
they're
It's
very
close.
close.
It's close. It's
They're
close.
very close. They're very
Baka
close.
sa ibang tulog ni Mario, he might pick CJ. Baka sa ibang tulog niya, pagising niya, he might choose RR. It's that close. Na you
Depends,
really cannot say.
depends kung sino kalaban ng Hinebra. So right now, since SMB yung kalaban nila, I'll say RR's better.
RR Pogoy. Undisputed sana kung nandyan yung Kiefer Ravena kaso.
Ayun
Oh
nga.
yeah. No,
Wala.
Kiefer is a point. For me, ay hindi. Pag sa
He's a
PBA ba,
point.
Kiefer sa 2? Kiefer sa 2 ba
He's
sa
a point.
PBA? He's a point, di
Kiefer, I
ba?
think,
He
best
will
position
be,
ni Kiefer is point guard. For me,
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah, yeah. In the
Bolit
PBA,
pa ang
nagpo-point guard.
mapupunta sa
Even
2 eh,
Japan.
no? Si
let's ask
Bolit
Yeah.
Kiefer. Kiefer? No joke.
We gotta have it. I didn't get to text him. I think it's too late na rin eh. Kasi that guy
Yeah.
trains so early in the morning. Mga 6 a.m. ata.
Early.
Mamba mentality, man.
He
It's
trains so
crazy.
early. He trains so early. He goes to activate early.
Yeah, dude. First of all, it's game 1. I don't want to overreact. Hindi naman tayo
Same.
mag-overreact.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Same.
wait. Ano, anything with Ross TNT? Anything you guys want to see in game 2? Oh, for me, Santi has to play better. He cannot be 2 for 11. And yung kay Gian kasi, it's this ankle injury. You cannot expect more from Amuyak kasi
You can't.
He injured the same ankle twice in the same game, in the previous game. So, medyo
Mhm.
ano na tayo kay Mamu.
Pero
Tone
Oh,
down na
shout
tayo
out
ng
to
expectations.
to Mike Malonzo.
Mike
yeah,
Malonzo, yes.
I was
Shout
gonna
out to
say the
Mike
same
Malonzo.
thing,
Galing.
man. Mike Malonzo. Get Mike Malonzo going a bit, bro. Kasi
Para siyang JB Bahio ng
kaya niya
Ross.
eh.
That's right.
The only thing you need for Mike Malonzo to do is grab rebounds and hit wide open shots, bro.
Mga
That's
elbow
all
shot, maybe try an elbow shot. Diba mga
ang
ganun lang.
kailangan niya, man. Yun lang kailangan niya.
It's like Udonis Haslem, ano?
Yeah.
Ah, siguro nung
Oh,
prime ni Udonis Haslem, nung prime niya.
Yun, ganun,
Nung prime
2000.
Udonis.
this whole thing could be a completely different story if Kalen Johnson just made a 3-pointer in the corner, right? It
That would
was
have changed the game, no? Yun yung after ba ng 4 free throws niya,
TNT
no?
probably still wins, I
Mhm.
think. But that's what I want to bring up. Yun, thank
Oh,
you for reminding me. If you're
which
Coach
one?
Yang, if you're Coach Yang Yao, you're down 4 points,
Oh,
ha? You're
yeah.
down 4 points with 10 seconds remaining with the 4-point line, ha? Ngayon ka pa talaga magpapa-technical foul, pre?
Yun,
Did you
talagang
not?
sakit
For
yun.
me, naging crucial nun. May
Or
chance
screw
pa sila
yun kasi
manalo eh.
Calvin missed two.
Yeah.
Calvin
Hmm.
missed two free throws
Yeah,
after.
exactly. That was
So,
weird. That
if
was
you
really
didn't take your
weird.
technical foul, if you didn't get your technical foul,
You had a chance.
this game's a 4-point game.
Oh.
Exactly.
It's a 4-point game with Andre Karakut feeling like Andre Karakut taking a 4-point shot from half court.
You need a confident Andre Karakut. You need to be confident.
I know Coach Yang is a very good coach. And I genuinely believe for most of this game, equal sila ni Coach Chot in terms of coaching.
Mhm.
Pero yung dulo na yun, men, but is this a way for you to hype your players up?
Bro, that's not the right time to do
Not the
that.
time for it. You
Not the
still
right
have a
time.
chance to win this game, even if it's small, man. Kahit sobrang liit ng chance. Pre,
One possession game eh.
yeah, and alam mo na technical siya kasi rinig mo siya sa audio nagmura siya
Rinig.
sa
Rinig
so,
sa game.
binura niya. Binura niya.
That's right.
Rinig
Gusto ko
talaga eh.
ulit. Baka papagalitan na naman ako ni Nini.
Oh, wag na. Papagalitan.
Ayun nga, like man, there's a time for these things. It's not in the fourth quarter with 10 seconds left with you having a chance to win the game, man. It's not. It's really not. And obviously people will say, Coach yan, sino ka ba? Man,
Coaching yan eh, di ba? But
guys,
not there are the, that there are 3 quarters or 3.5 quarters to do that. Not in that point of the game.
yeah, exactly. Hindi talaga kailangan, pare.
Coach Chito would not have done that.
I don't know. First of all, Coach Tito doesn't have the balls to do that.
Hindi niya gago. Iba nga yun.
Okay.
He's not gonna. He's not the type. I don't think Coach Tito's the type of guy to shout
No,
at.
he's not
He's not the type nga. He's really not the type though. Parang soft-spoken siya, yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. So that's just how it is, man. Um, to be fair, most of us here in this panel predicted TNT to have a very
To
good
win,
series
no?
against
Yeah.
I have them
So-
winning in 7 kahit sinasabihan ako ng mga tao.
Ano ba tayo?
I hate
5? Ako
TNT.
5 ako eh. In 6 ka ba,
Mario
Mario?
is 6. I am 7.
Ako 5. 5, 6, 7.
People are saying na, oh, you hate TNT. Sana di ko sila pinili.
yan, levels of Hinebra fan yan.
Yeah,
Levels of
Nico is
Ginebra fan pa.
neutral. Mario is
I'm neutral.
diehard. I'm delusional.
Hindi, ako, I'm Mr. Game 7. Saan magigame? Ako rin, alam ni Mario yan. Gusto ko lang mag-Game 7 yung mga series.
love
Basta
Game
tumagal
7.
lang.
Yeah.
For some weird reason.
I love Game 7.